Welcome to Taskade Genesis, the autonomous workspace where humans and agents build, ship, and run real software together. Every Taskade Genesis app starts with an idea, a tool, a workflow, a whole business, anything you can imagine. Step 1. Describe what you need. Taskade Genesis turns your prompt into a live app. From one prompt, you get one live app. Projects, agents, automations, a working interface. Your whole workspace, built, connected, ready to run. Projects hold your work. Agents think and act on top. Automations wire it all together. Step 2. Refine it. Talk to your workspace like a teammate. Add features, change a flow, tweak anything. Changes go live in seconds. And your workspace never stands still. Memory feeds intelligence. Intelligence triggers execution. Execution updates memory. Built once, the loop compounds forever. Step 3. Publish it. Share it. One click, and your app is live on your own custom domain with Stripe checkout built in. Then earn from it. Charge real users for real value. Real customers, real revenue. Creators ship, users pay. Turn every prompt into a real working business. Internal tools, custom software, whole businesses in a box. Client portals, CRMs, storefronts, whatever you imagine, Taskade Genesis builds it. This is your autonomous workspace, the execution layer for agents and humans. Taskade Genesis is free to start.